So I'll start off with Insights Desk. This is our kind of platform for kind of managing insights within an organization. So if you think about it, and we've talked to a lot of our customers, and there are one or two things that a lot of customers are doing in terms of collecting insights, either through surveys or focus groups. A lot of different ways people collect data for kind of making decisions. And that is typically stored in anywhere between a PowerPoint deck to a SharePoint file to a Google Drive, realistically. And so we want to kind of propose an idea of an organized model for collecting insights, tagging insights, as you can see on the screenshot over there. Then once you collect it, organize it, tag it, then it's searchable not only by yourself but searchable by other people in the organization. So we call it obviously democratizing the concept of collecting insights, and not only just collecting the data and storing it internally, but also exposing the data that you collect and the insights that you're gathering effectively. So it's kind of a part project management tool, part knowledge management tool. So it's kind of like project, the other side of project management is really knowledge management and democratizing and kind of giving access to the data effectively. The key thing that we wanted to do is we are going to integrate our platform, this Insights Desk platform, obviously with QuestionPro, but also with other research tools like Trauma UI, which is a usability testing platform that competes with UserZoom and user testing. Hub UX, which is run by Jim in Brazil. That's effectively a sourcing platform for qualitative research. So these are the different tools. These are a couple of tools that we've identified up front in terms of kind of integrating with them. So it's not only just a project management tool, but kind of like a connection point to other kind of actual practical research tools to kind of again to have the data flow go back and forth seamlessly. And the final point to this tool really is we strongly believe in kind of communication. So obviously this is 2021, everybody's remote. It's going to be natively integrated with Slack and Teams. So everything that you do inside this. So if you're using Slack for internal communication and you want to know what the status of a particular project is, you can find that out within Slack. You don't have to go out of there and come back and somewhere. Same thing, obviously, same thing to do with Teams, really. So it's bi-directional communication from kind of the project management tool and Slack and Teams, so that everybody in the team is aware of who's doing what at any particular time. If you have a team of researchers, obviously doing 10 or 20 or 50 projects in a given month, effectively. So that's kind of those are the kind of objectives that we want to kind of attack and get. And here's some kind of quick screenshots. We believe that there'll be a kind of a portal where not only can you can as a researcher can go and mine the data, but also that portal can be exposed. Components of that portal can be exposed to other members like product managers and developers and researchers, other folks who are even business line of business managers, to kind of say like, hey, I want to understand what kind of research we've done in the last 6 months, 3 months, effectively. So that's kind of what is happening, and you can see kind of an example over here. You can see like different things that are happening over here. These are the one of the things that we want to create is a central repository of information that is out there. As part of this, we'll also collect a lot of analytical data in terms of the project management itself. So if you're spending money on sample, we'll have, we can track the amount of money that, on a per project level we are spending on sample and so on. So these are interesting data points that most teams are kind of doing it on either on an ad hoc kind of spreadsheet level, but we want to organize it in a way that we can map this out and we can obviously deliver some insights at an aggregate level effectively.